Hey class, so today we are going to discuss chapter name called Wonderful World of Science. Okay, so this is the sixth CBSE first chapter, right? So basically, what is science? As human beings, we have always been curious about the world around us, right? So, from the moment we were children, we started exploring and asking questions. Have you ever wondered how things work, why they happen, or what's going on in the world around you? So, these questions, which arise from you, are the foundation of the science. Also, when you were in the preparatory stage, like in the initial stage, so when you were in the preparatory stage, like in your initial stage, you likely had fun discovering new things about the world. As you now enter the middle stage, our journey of exploration continues. So this time, with a fascinating new subject, science. Let's dive into the topic. What is science means? A science is more than just a subject. It's a way of thinking and observing and doing things to understand the world we live in. And also, it helps uncover the secrets of the universe. And the best part is, science is an adventure. We do, we ask questions, right? And also explore the world and try to understand like how everything works. So to start this journey, we need is curiosity. Okay. Whether it's studying tiny grains of sand or massive mountains, or a single leaf or a vast forest, there is always something new to discover. So have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered why the stars shine? Or else, have you ever watched a flower bloom or wondered how it knows when to open? Yes, there are just a few examples of many mysteries science help us solve. Yes, and coming to the next topic, science is everywhere. What is it meant by science is everywhere? Which means our science is in everywhere, like all around us, from the depths of the ocean to the vastness of our outer space, from the things we cook in the kitchen and to what happens on the playground, like this. So some of the most groundbreaking discoveries has come from unexpected places, like the discovery of tasty dishes and learning about the plants and animals that grow in different regions. So every day we make discoveries that deepen our understanding, whether we are studying the structure of a leaf, watching a butterfly transform, or experimenting with how water changes with temperature, or science allows us to see the connections between different things in life. Science is everything. What does this mean? Which means, what are the things around us made of? Have you ever thought about the materials that make up objects we use every day? The paper we write, or the metal key, or the plastic ruler, or rubber eraser. How do we separate these materials from one another? So science helps us in understanding all of this. And also the most important one is water. So water is our essential life source. So have you ever jumped into a puddle after it rained or wondered why water freezes into ice like when cooled and turns into steam when heated? How do we understand the difference between hot and cold? Water, like many other things, has a story to tell, and science help us unlock it. As we move on forward, we'll not only explore the Earth and its diverse life forms like plants, animals, and ecosystems. So uh, there is also outer space, the sun, moon, millions of stars, and so all invite us to ask questions and discover new things. This is called beyond Earth. Not only like plants and animals, there is also so many we can explore. So basically, what we do, like we have a scientific method. Okay, what is it called? What is scientific method? So we have a method for discovering answers for these all questions. Okay, that's where scientific method comes in. Science is not just about memorizing facts or doing experiments, it's about following a step-by-step process to find answer to our questions. Okay, so there are few steps in the scientific method. Those are called observation, question, hypothesis, experimenting, analysis, and conclusion. So, what is observation? Which means first we observe something interesting or puzzling, and after observing, we might ask questions about it. And also coming to the next one, hypothesis. Hypothesis means we make some logical guesses, okay, some educated guesses on the questions. So what it might be, what answer might be, like that. And after that, experimenting. Now we have to check the answers we guess in the experiment. Okay, by experimenting, we have to check the answers we guess. So lastly, analysis. After testing, we look at the results. Did our guess match? What happened? Or why not matched? After that, the last one is conclusion. So, conclusion means finally we come into a conclusion. Was our hypothesis correct? If not correct, we make a new hypothesis and try again. So, this is called scientific method. So, during this entire scientific method, the key is curiosity and perseverance. And that's what exactly scientists do every day. They observe, ask questions, test ideas, and keep learning more and more and more daily. Next topic, science in daily life. So, did you know that science is all around you, even in your daily life? Like, for example, when your phone stops charging, and also when you fix a bicycle tire, or when you cook food, you're actually following steps of the scientific method without even realizing it. And also, you ask questions, make hypotheses, and test them, and come to conclusions. Whether it's figuring out by a bulb, or why your soup is boiling over, or in everything you apply science. That's it for today, guys. So that's it for today. Now that we have begun our adventure into science, remember it's a journey that never ends. The more you learn, the more questions you will have, and that's the fun part. Whether you are in grade 6 or beyond, you are just starting to explore the mysteries of the universe. So keep asking questions, keep exploring, and never stop wondering. So science is a team effort too. So if you get stuck, ask your friend, ask your teacher, or even look up answers together. So working together is one of the best ways to discover something new. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you.